Hello, Katherine from Double Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. If you are here to improve your kidney health, I have great news for you. There are 7 easy detoxing morning habits that can really help you lower your creatinine levels and kickstart your kidneys for the whole day. The tips of today's video are going to be helpful for people in any stage of kidney disease, but especially for those who are already doing their best to get their kidney function back. Our number 7 in particular is a celery detox drink that can give you huge benefits for your heart and your kidneys. It has blood pressure lowering properties, it's alkaline, and it also has diuretic properties. This is a very easy recipe. You are just going to need a blender and 2 stalks of celery, roughly chopped. This is an incredible superfood with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Great to protect your heart, blood vessels, and kidneys. And maybe you didn't know this, but celery is the best friend of your urinary tract and kidneys because it's a mild diuretic with powerful antimicrobial properties. Second ingredient is half green apple. This particular apple is lower in sugar than the red variety, making it a great choice for people suffering from diabetes. Let's add a couple of ice cubes and half glass of water. We'll blend it a little to make it easier for the blender. Now let's add half lemon. It's best to find organic lemon since we are going to blend it with the peel. And also consider that the pith and the peel of the lemon are incredibly healthy. The pith, which is usually discarded, is full of antioxidants, healthy nutrients, and soluble fiber. And the peel of the lemon contains flavonoids, vitamin C, and D-limonene, an enzyme that can help you lower bad cholesterol. Last but not least, cilantro. This powerful medical herb fights infections, helps to lower blood sugar levels, prevents urinary tract infections, reduces anxiety, soothes skin rashes, improves digestion, and has many other detoxing benefits. Remember to let everything soak in water and baking soda for at least 5 minutes before preparation to get rid of pesticides. Now, you want to make this really smooth. Okay guys, if you want to know the nutritional values of all these foods, take a look at the description below. There's also the full recipe if you want to write it down or save it. This kidney detox smoothie is amazing. If you drink this detox first thing in the morning, the cleansing effect is going to be even more noticeable. It's full of fiber, healthy phytochemicals, and vitamins. Speaking of which, an even better detoxing morning habit is... Number 6. Take a multivitamin. It's a well-known fact that people following a renal diet are more at risk for vitamin deficiencies, even if your diet is well planned. In fact, vitamin B12, for example, is particularly hard to get because the best sources of this nutrient are dairy and meat, and they're both out of the menu. Same for vitamin D, which is mostly found in egg yolk and fish. This is why taking a multivitamin with breakfast can be literally a lifesaver. What many people don't know is that taking the right vitamins also has a noticeable detoxing effect on the kidneys. So if you want to detox your kidneys, focus on getting enough B vitamins. They're key to help the kidneys get rid of excess water and sodium. Vitamin B6 in particular works with the kidneys to help the body flush toxins from the system. Now, vitamin B6 is especially helpful if taken with magnesium. Studies show that taking magnesium together with vitamin B6 may even relieve symptoms such as water retention and swelling in the legs. A great way to detox the body first thing in the morning. If you want to know more, I've talked about the best vitamin supplements for kidney disease in this video up here. Kidney detoxing morning habit number 5. Try meditation. Fake news, hundreds of text messages, the excess of information on social media, and the problems of everyday life intoxicate your mind, causing stress, insomnia, anxiety, and general discomfort. Meditation may be the answer. It's like a detox for the mind, and this is way more important than many people realize. This can reduce strain on the heart, the arteries, and the kidneys because it means you are going to detox your body from cortisol, the stress hormone which is known to damage the kidneys. This even works if you meditate just once a day or once in a while, because meditation has great calming effects and in some cases can even be used to reduce blood pressure. So if you want to try it, consider that it's not hard to start and it's absolutely worth the effort. I actually meditate a lot, especially when I have a difficult day ahead. I learned this lesson from a book I read about Mahatma Gandhi. At the start of one especially busy day, he said, "I have so much to accomplish today that I must meditate for 2 hours instead of 1. And this really made me think. So, whenever I can, I find a quiet place and start to meditate. And by the way, guys, are you already employing some of these good habits? Will you start them? Let's talk about it in comment section. Okay, our number 4 is really a must. Number 4, drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. If you want to keep your kidneys free from toxins, drinking enough water is key. Do you drink the recommended 8 to 12 glasses of water a day? Remember that you need to intake more water if you want your kidneys to remove more water and sodium from the body. So why not start the day with a full glass of water? Okay guys, before I show you our top 3, there is one more thing I want you to know about. A lot of kidney disease patients are using this program to improve their kidney function and lower their creatinine levels. There are some very inspiring success stories here on WO Kidney. People are reversing their kidney disease thanks to what they're learning from this program. If you want to give a fast boost to your kidney health, you should consider downloading it. I'm leaving a link down in the description. Check it out to know more. Time for our number 3. Cut on refined grains and sugars. A lot of us like to start the day with something sweet. Oh yes, me too. But listen to this. While refined grains and sugars are not toxins by themselves, they are linked to increased visceral fat. Added sugar contains roughly 50% fructose, which is metabolized and, if eaten in large amounts, turned into visceral fat by the liver. Visceral fat then wraps around your abdominal organs, causing the release of inflammatory hormones that are linked to diabetes, heart disease, and kidney disease. What to eat instead? Whole grains! Because while it's true that oatmeal is rich in phosphorus, you should also consider that the body doesn't really absorb all the phosphorus in plant foods. Also try barley flakes. Barley flakes may be used in place of oat flakes and have a similar flavor, but with way less phosphorus. What's even healthier than removing processed sugars? Number 2, go for a short walk or some morning exercising. Spring is here and there is no better time of the year to go outside and move a little bit. And many people don't know this, but exercising and being active in general is one of the most powerful ways of detoxing the kidneys. It increases blood flow to promote better circulation, and it also helps pump white blood cells through the body and help organs cleanse themselves effectively. You will see these benefits in your lab values very soon after starting exercising. Because even just regular brisk walking can help you prevent or manage various conditions, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. It sounds simple, and it is. Regular exercise, but also walking help get the muscles in your body pumping, aiding circulation and helping to move fluid around and out of the body. Now guys, I've seen that many of you are really liking my exercising program, so I'm trying to upload new content more frequently. And by the way, if you exercise outside, it's also going to help with vitamin D. This vitamin is essential for your kidney health, and you only need to stay outside for 15 minutes a day to get enough vitamin D. This is just one more reason why I say that exercising regularly is one of the best things you can do for your kidneys. But what could be even better? Let's see. Number 1. Take a probiotic. Probiotics are definitely one of the healthiest morning habits if you really care about detoxing your kidneys. According to recent research, probiotics can speed up the way your gut gets rid of uremic toxins. When your gut is healthy, it will be able to help consistently with getting rid of what your kidneys can't remove. Uremic toxins in particular are a great burden for your kidneys and your body, and detoxing them through the gut is a win-win situation. And for sure, taking a probiotic in the context of a healthy detoxing morning ritual is a great step in the direction of healthy kidneys. But finding the right probiotic supplement may be challenging, considering how many different brands and different types of probiotics exist. Don't worry, I've made a short video to help you guys finding the best possible probiotics without spending too much. It's up here if you want to watch it. Guys, a very interesting new video is coming next Tuesday. I really hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. Thank you for watching.